How to turn off Facebook sounds on Android. So if you want to turn off sounds on Facebook app, then just first open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. And now you just need to simply go with the settings and privacy. And under your settings and privacy, you need to go with settings. Now under settings, you will have the notifications option. Tap on notifications. And here, if you've turned on the notifications, you can turn it off. And under your settings and privacy, scroll down and you will find an option of media. Tap on it. And here you will have an option of videos start with sound. You need to turn it off and go with sounds in the app. Again, turn it off. That's it. That's how you can turn off the sounds on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.